In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change administrator on your Windows. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on control panel under the best match. Now here you need to view the control panel by category. Simply click on the drop down and choose category. Click on the user accounts, and here you have to click on user accounts, and then we have to go to this option manage another account. So I have 3 other accounts right here on my Windows, and we have this one, and this is not yet, or this is the account that we need to change the into administrator account. So how can we do that? We just need to click on this account, and then here in the list of options on the left, then you'll find the option change the account type. Click on that. And then currently this is standard. So in order to change this to administrator, click on the administrator. So administrators have complete control over the PC. They can change any settings and access all of the files and programs stored on the PC. Click on change account type. Now go back to manage accounts, and now it has been changed to administrator. So if I'm going to close this and click on the start button, click on this profile or user icon, click on these 3 dots, and I want to sign in into the tech user guides. I can now sign in with it. I can now sign in with this account with administrative rights. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.